Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you a new safe that I just got. It's fireproof and waterproof and it's by SentrySafe. It measures about 14 by 15 and a half by 13 and a half. And when I got it, I thought it was going to be much bigger. But when you actually open it up and look inside, it's a smaller area. I think the actual area is about 12 by 8. So I was expecting it to be a little bigger, but it's really great for small items. Sometimes we keep cash in there. We also keep our will and just other small items that we wouldn't want to be affected by fire or water damage. It's a really durable safe. I think it's very well made and it's extremely heavy. It weighs about 39 pounds. So I had trouble actually lifting the box off the porch. It doesn't seem like it would be that heavy, but you can definitely tell it's a solid piece. It can also endure a half hour temperatures at 1,550 degrees Fahrenheit. So it would withstand some really high heat. Again, it can handle about 40 files, like the hanging files. And there's also two bands that come with it that you can add to the top, which can hold smaller items like jewelry or cash or something like that. The only thing I would like to see is like some kind of handle for you to pick it up because otherwise you have to just pick it up from the bottom, which can be kind of heavy. But if you're just going to keep it in a closet or something, it would be a great addition because it's small enough.